Hello guys, welcome back to our video. Today we're gonna be watching Peppa Pig, but it's cursed. So let's go. And make sure to subscribe to this person I want you to subscribe to. Thank you. Let's go. What? No. No thank you. I said no thank you. That's not even chicken chalky. What? Ah, can't see. Nah, weird.
Let's guess what may happen to George. Don't pick the flowers. Don't pick the flowers.
Why Mommy Pig sound like Daddy Pig? That's so weird. I picked the fourth one. No, Daddy Pig, you're ugly.
Peppa, what is that little girl saying? George,
Peppa's beautiful.
George does not know.
Would you like to see a trick? Please, George. Let me see.
Magic.
That means he likes snowfall.
No, that means
Today, it is very early.
why there's another Peppa? That's a fake one.
Go back to sleep, George. Don't worry.
Oh my gosh.
You look like a clown.
No. It
No, and today your birthday's your Peppa. Don't be sad, Peppa.
You're color ugly, Daddy Pig. George is like the little one, so he can't be opening presents. That's not a dinosaur song.
George is thinking.
Can you get the pictures?
George cannot guess. George does not guess.
That was really cursed.
Tomatoes and spaghettos and tomatoes and some lovely picture, Peppa.
Peppa? What?
Where are we going?